welcome to another episode of my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport. This truck is fresh off the press, and I'm excited to share my thoughts and impressions with you. Exterior. The first thing that you'll notice about the Hilux GR Sport is its aggressive exterior styling. This truck is designed to look tough and ready for anything. It has a wide stance, a muscular hood, and a black grille with a red GR badge. The side of the truck is accented with black taillights and 17-inch black alloy wheels. The rear of the truck has a black rear bumper and a red GR badge. Interior. The interior of the Hilux GR Sport is just as impressive as the exterior. The seats are upholstered in black leather with red stitching. The steering wheel is also wrapped in leather and has a GR badge. The dashboard is made of high-quality materials and has a clean and simple design. There is also a large touchscreen infotainment system that is easy to use. Engine. The Hilux GR Sport is powered by a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine that produces 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The Hilux GR Sport has a towing capacity of 3,500 kilograms and a payload capacity of 1,000 kilograms. Off-road. The Hilux GR Sport is a truly capable off-road truck. It has a part-time four-wheel drive system with a low-range gear. The truck also has a lock-in rear differential and a hill descent control system. The Hilux GR Sport has a ground clearance of 225 mm and a wading depth of 700 mm. The 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport is an impressive truck. It is tough, stylish, and capable. If you're looking for a truck that can do it all, then the Hilux GR Sport is definitely worth considering. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more automotive content. Thanks for watching.